Hello and welcome back. Professor Duckett here with another quick tutorial on how to create a YouTube video intro. And this is just a quick and fun way. I'll show it to you now. This is just a quick and fun intro that you can do. This could work well if you have a series or just some of your hub style content that you want to just create a nice little quick intro for. You can use something like this. So the first thing I did to create this is I exported a nice background image, a color that I wanted to use. And so you can do this easily on Canva. So just finding, maybe using one of their presentation style templates, and then just creating, either using a blank page and then just finding a nice color that you want to work with. So this may be your personal brand color or a color that you just want to have for this specific series. So whatever you find that you like, go with that. So I made this background a solid color, and I just downloaded this as either, you can do it either a PNG or a JPEG, and I downloaded that file and done download. So downloaded that image, and then I just pulled that image into the timeline. So you can either just kind of drag it and drop it in, or you can go here to the plus sign, add media, and then save it to your desktop. That's an easy way to find it. Go up here to media browser and then save it to your desktop, open the file, and then once you have the file selected, it'll just pull it over and drop it into, so like say for instance is this one, add it, it'll import it over and drop it in. That doesn't look half bad. That's not the look we're going for, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that out. So once your color's in, then you can find your music. Again, you go to the blue button, add audio, and I use their dance pop sunbathing. Here's how it sounds. So it's fun and kind of high energy for something that's quick in and out. Then to add this animated text, simply go to add media, select graphics, and within Adobe Premiere Rush, there are a lot of different graphics, motion graphics already kind of built in to the tool. I just went to browse all titles, and then I typed in intro. And that filtered out and sorted through all of the different intros that the platform makes available. So you can sort through there and maybe apply them, see which one you like best. I stuck to this nice fun yellow. So you add it over. Once you have it highlighted with the blue line around it, you just select add, and again, it'll just pull over and drop in the timeline. Now to edit it, just make sure you have it highlighted. So I highlighted my intro, and already it knows that you kind of want to change the text. The cursor will appear, and I just typed in how to create a YouTube channel intro. The secondary text was episode, so I just changed that to episode 1. And if you want to play around with the font size, there's a slider over here, and you can actually make sure we're highlighted. You can play with the font size. Make it as large or as small as you want. And once you do that, the next thing, I just applied the white transition here onto the background, or this actually onto the actual transition itself. And it kind of gave it a nice kind of gradient feel to it, which I really liked. So if you want to have this yellow intro highlighted, and then just to select the white transition here, and to get that kind of gradient look that happens on the end points of that piece of the animation, you can try it. So again, I'll just play it for you. And that is all you have to do. This was the extra video that we pulled over. So you can, again, drag and drop your clips over to make it a lot easier. I spent the last video kind of just sorting through, but you can just drag and drop similar to other Adobe products. So have fun with this. It's a quick, short one. I think you'll have some fun with it. And it looks like I accidentally deleted my text out. So I'm going to undo. Undo. There we go. Command Z is just the rescue button for all things media. So if you mess up, you're wondering where something went and disappears, just Control Z, Command Z, just kind of back up and undo so that you can get back to where you're at. All right, well, have fun with this. I hope you enjoyed it. So just again, another quick, short way, something you can use to make your episodic content stand out. All right, I'll see you in the next video.